Kerala, the God's own country, is well known for its natural beauty. The industrialization of Kerala dates back to the colonial era, and the focus was on the traditional industries. After the state unification, there was a sudden shift of focus, and industries of varied nature developed in the state. Soon, the town lying in the lap of the Western Ghats, Palakkad, emerged as an important spot on Kerala's industrial map, and Kanjikode, which is 12 kilometers away from Palakkad, became its new industrial hub. Today, Kanjikode is a major industrial area in Kerala, which houses production facilities of well-known companies. ITI Limited, formerly known as Indian Telephone Industries Limited, is the prominent one among the companies located in Kanjikode. ITI Limited was established in 1948 as a pioneering venture in the field of telecommunications. Ever since its inception, it has made notable contributions to the betterment of national telecom network. With modern manufacturing facilities spread across 6 locations and a countrywide network of marketing and service outlets, the company offers a complete range of telecom products. Palakkad plant of ITI Limited was established in the year 1976 as the nation's first electronic switching systems manufacturing unit in collaboration with Alcatel France. The plant is strategically located by the side of the national highway which connects Palakkad and Coimbatore, making it easily accessible by road, rail and air. The plant initially produced electronic switching products like electronic telephone exchanges, local, trunk and large capacity. With a total manpower strength of 688, the plant has capacity to produce 1 million lines per annum and had emerged as a leader in switching equipment manufacturing for the national telecom network. Subsequently, the plant is engaged in the manufacturing of high-tech telecom equipments, smart cards, smart card readers, space electronic assemblies, telecom ducts, etc. A state-of-the-art electronic equipment manufacturing line, component screening lab, the high-tech multi-layer PCB manufacturing facility, modern calibration lab, cable assembly and harnessing equipments are some of the salient features of the plant.
ITI Palakkad is one among the 6 manufacturing units of erstwhile known as Indian Telephone Industry, presently known as ITI. And our unit has been established in 1976, and since then we have been manufacturing electronic switching exchanges for telecom transmission and switching activities, and ours is the first manufacturing facility established in India when there is a liberalization process happened in the year 1996. There was a tough situation in the market, but still ITI Palakkad could manage to survive that kind of a difficult market situation by diversification into various other fields like SIM cards, smart cards and battery manufacturing and various other services which are in telecom field. With the revival package of Government of India of around more than 150 crores, a very good establishment of new manufacturing setups and upgradation of infrastructure for electronic manufacturing to the world-class standards has been established.
The high-tech PCB plant, which is equipped with the industry's latest and best machinery, is the status symbol of ITI Limited Palakkad. PCB plant of ITI Limited Palakkad set up in 1985 to meet the captive consumption requirement of double-side PCBs for E10B and OCB exchanges upgraded periodically to meet the ever-increasing technological requirement of high-grade multi-layers. Printed circuit board processing and assembly are done in an extremely clean environment. Presently, the plant is having the capability to manufacture PCBs of defense and ISRO-grade PCBs. Other than the regular final surface finish of tin lead, HASL, hot air solder level, the plant acquired the facility of tin finish and electroless nickel immersion gold finish also. ENIG, the plant acquired the latest facility of inner layer alignment system in the manufacture of higher layer count multi-layers, micro drillers, LED exposure machine, V-scoring machine, flying probe testers and automated optical inspection systems are some of the latest machineries the plant acquired recently. The plant has a state-of-the-art multi-layer PCB manufacturing plant up to 10 layers as a separate business center that caters to the captive as well as external market requirements. The plant, having an annual capacity of 12,000 square meter, follows MIL P55110 specification. The PCB plant is approved by LCSO up to 10 layers. DRDO has cleared usage of PCBs manufactured at this plant.
A full-fledged smart card manufacturing facility with level 4 security had been set up in the plant with a capacity of 6,000 cards per hour. We have already received the accreditation for RuPay cards from the National Payment Corporation of India.
The high-tech SEA plant is equipped with fully automatic SMT line to assemble highly miniature O201 surface mount components with placement accuracy of ±25 microns. The dedicated SMT line is capable of supporting package-on-package, inline 3D SPI and AOI. The high-speed placement machines are with capacity of 138,000 component placement per hour. The reflow ovens are capable of lead-free soldering with nitrogen control. The entire SEA plant has anti-static floor with ESD tiles to diffuse the static energy from the body of person working in the plant. This to prevent the damage to sensitive components and devices. The testing facility is equipped with latest line probe test machines, 3D X-ray machines and BGA rework stations for troubleshooting and repair.
It is a pride moment for ITI when we say that we are able to support the electronic assembly requirements as well as electronic component testing requirements to the prestigious projects of satellite communications, satellite launches of Vikram Sarabhai Space Center.
The Space Electronic Fabrication Center and Radio Frequency Lab at ITI Palakkad is a state-of-the-art facility created in collaboration with Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Thiruvananthapuram. The facility is able to support fabrication and testing of electronic assembly modules which are used in on-board and ground control application of the satellites and launch vehicles. An exclusive highly skilled competent manpower is deployed and they are trained at the ISRO facility to meet the stringent reliability and quality requirements. ITI Limited produces a unique product, Smash Mini PC. It is the upcoming generation of new-gen smart PC with amazingly low power consumption of just 15 watts, which consumes 80% lesser energy than the generic PCs. It has no moving parts in it, like fan or magnetic disk, and works on SSD storage. The compact design saves spaces by 60%. It is ideal for cloud terminals, billing PCs, etc. The quality of the mini PC is impeccable and the company provides 3 years warranty. ITI Limited Palakkad has a cable assembly line with highly sophisticated equipments for cable harnessing based on OCB, MLLN or customized specifications. It is capable of manufacturing over 50 varieties of color-coded cables using procedures such as wrapping, crimping and soldering. The cables are subject to visual inspection and continuity test, etc. The component screening and reliability lab facility at ITI Palakkad has a fully air-conditioned ESD protected area of 7,000 square feet, exclusively dedicated to the screening and burn-in of all active and passive electronic components and test and evaluation of electronic assemblies of VSSC and other defense organizations like NPOL, DRDO, BEL, BHEL, ECIL, HAL, etc. This lab is equipped for the burn-in and screening of ICs, transistors, diodes and other passive components with the following facilities. Thermal shock chamber ranging from -70 degrees Celsius to +220 degrees Celsius. Humidity controlled ESD chamber with a ramp of 20 degrees Celsius per minute and 15 degrees Celsius per minute. Temperature cycling of -70 degrees Celsius to +180 degrees Celsius with a ramp of 3 degrees Celsius per minute. burn in with a capacity up to 300 degrees Celsius. This advanced lab can facilitate all reliability and environmental test requirements for qualification of any new engineering products. HDPE pipe plant. ITI Palakkad has sophisticated machinery for manufacturing HDPE pipe. The plant is intended for manufacturing of pre-lubricated high-density polyethylene pipe (PLB) HDPE pipe of size 40/33 mm, known as telecom duct, used for drawing optical fiber cables for high-speed data transfer. With the government decision to provide broadband connectivity in all panchayats and villages, the market segment is quite luring and offers scope for wide growth and capacity enhancement.
ITI Palakkad's fast-moving products include digital telephone exchanges and managed leased line networks.
The successful execution of Managed Lease Line Network (MLLN), which is the backbone of bank ATMs, and the pan-India installation of 12,500 MLLN nodes comprising of 500 DXCs and 12,000 VMUXs for BSNL and MTNL proved the capability of ITI Limited to undertake turnkey projects which include supply, installation, integration and commissioning of equipments on a pan-India basis. Optical transport networking is a digital wrapper that provides an efficient and globally accepted way to multiplex different services onto optical light paths. It is a next-generation industry standard protocol. ITI Palakkad has the capacity to successfully execute optical transport network projects as well.
50% of the equipment in the Indian telecom market belongs to ITI. Among ITI, 25% of the turnover is ITI Palakkad. Among the clients of ITI Palakkad, BSNL and MTNL form the major chunk, and other clients include Ministry of Defence, Ministry of Home Affairs and Ministry of Rural Development.
During these 4 decades post-inception, ITI Palakkad has earned numerous awards and accolades. Some of the prominent among them are: first in Kerala to achieve ISO 9001 accreditation, accredited to International Quality Standard ISO 9001-2015, accredited to Environmental Management System ISO 14001-2015, 3-time consecutive winner of Kerala State Productivity Council Award, awarded Approved Inspection Scheme status for all major products by BSNL. Winner of Safety Award sponsored by National Safety Council Kerala Chapter for 15 years consecutively. Winner of Institutional Engineers Excellence Award 1999. Winner of Kerala State Pollution Control Board Award 2015 and 2016. To ensure safety, ITI Palakkad has a full-fledged experienced fire brigade with fire tender and a medical center in the plant.
We have a 24/7 integrated teleassistance center to provide technical support for all the products supplied by ITI Limited Palakkad and a customer service center for after-sales support.
ITI Palakkad gives utmost importance to customer support. 24/7 technical support is available for all the installed equipments. Nationwide annual maintenance support is extended for all established products. There is a dedicated customer service center taking care of servicing and repairs of all supplied products.
Under the program of the smart cities, we are having already a 1,000 crores prestigious order of smart energy meters which will be deployed all over India, and we are very soon getting into the area of smart gas meters and smart water meters, which is going to make every domestic activities going to be very smart. And very soon we are going to transform India into a very smart nation, which is going to the dream of our Prime Minister. And under this program, we will be looking at India in a very short period as a very smart nation.
ITI Palakkad is extremely focused on the quality and on-time delivery of every product or solution it offers. And the success mantra of the plant is this intense focus on quality and delivery. By using advanced technologies and capitalizing on the efficiency of the talented workforce, ITI Palakkad has been able to add a long line of prestigious clients like ISRO, Defence Department, BSNL, MTNL, etc. to their clientele, and has become a flagship plant and matter of pride for the entire ITI group and a symbol of status for God's own country.